Like, do whatever with them. Honestly, do whatever. Magic. Hello friends, my name is Harsha and I'm from Speaking Stones, and today I'm going to be solving the world's biggest problem, and that is not COVID-19. That is how to untangle your earphones without doing this shit. Look how ugly it is. Anyway, so I understand we are all under complete lockdown, so we'll be using things that are easily available to us at our own homes, and that could be anything from ribbons to macram thread to yarn to, I don't know, anything that you can tie around your earphones. Use your creativity, use your brain. Smart enough. So the most important thing we'll be needing is a pair of earphones. The second most important thing after earphones that we need is a cup of coffee, a lighter, and just because I have a lighter doesn't mean I smoke. I do. If you're not a smoker, go check your partner's pocket. A pair of scissors, and if you're anything like me and your mother says aapki zuban कैंची की तरह चलती है, you still need them. I mean scissors, not the zuban. You also need a masking tape. It's the one that I use on the edges of my paintings to secure the corners. You can tear it like that. It's made of paper, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, I think it's called a masking tape. So you need some of that, and you can make a beard out of that. Oh, I like that. So we've got scissors, we've got the masking tape, we've got all sorts of things that we can have from our homes, and we've got, what else do we need? You need some creativity. You also need some brains. And that's about it. Did I mention lighter? My favorite part, lighter. Because I smoke. I don't smoke, in case my mother is watching. So the first thing we'll be doing is taking our cord and securing it with a masking tape, just like that. And I think I need another bit of tape, which is going to be this one. And now I have chosen a piece of ribbon just to show you how to do the first knot. So the first step is to just take that piece of ribbon or wool or thread and tie a regular basic simple knot just like that. And this knot should be preferably at the center of this thread or ribbon. And now there's this tricky bit wherein you figure out that there is 2 ends to this knot, and there is one end that's going under this knot. So one end of the ribbon is going under the knot and one end of the ribbon is going over the knot. Now all you have to do is, you'll realize that this bit of ribbon is going under this knot. So this one is just going to stay here, and the other bit, which is over the knot or on top, relatively, is going to go, first of all I'll secure it here, is going to go under the cord and over this ribbon like that. And now this one is over and this one is under, so this is going to go over the cord and under this loop. And now the next step is to just pull it just like that. Now I think it might be easier for you to sort of see that just like that. And now I think it's easier to sort of spot that this bit of the ribbon is going under the knot. If you can see, it's coming from under, and there is this part that's going over. So the one that's going over is going to go under the cord and on top of this side of the ribbon, and the one that's under is going to go over the cord and through this loop just like that, and we will pull it. I'll do it one more time and then we'll fast forward it. So this one is going under, this one is going over. The one that's going under is just going to stay there, and the one that's over is going to go under and on top and just going to stay there like that. And the one that's under now is going to go over the cord and through this loop, over the cord and through this loop, and we pull it. And that is all. This is under, this is over. The one that's over is going to go under the cord and over this, and the one that's under the ribbon is going to go over the cord and through this loop and pull. And that is all. So under is going to go under, so I'm so sorry, this is under, so this is just going to stay here. The one that's on top is going to go under and top, and the one that's under now is going to go on top of the cord and through this ribbon, through this loop, and just like that. I hope that makes sense, and I hope I have tried my best to explain you, and I hope that you understood it. This is under, this is over, the one that's over is going to go under and on top of this ribbon, and the one that's under this ribbon is going to go over the cord and through this loop like that. So once we are close to finishing, we are just going to take another piece of ribbon, thread or wool or whatever, and we're just going to tie another knot up here, and we'll try to make the knot as close as possible to the previous knot. Does that make sense? Cool. Now we've got this knot here, and now this one is under and this one is over. So the one that's over is going to go under, and the one that's under now is going to go on top of the cord and through. I am sorry for using these little bits and pieces of ribbons. I should be using some longer ones, but I think that's all I've got for now. So this one's under, this one's over. The one that's over is going to go under and on top here, and the one that's under is going to go over the cord and on top here. And we'll try to knot it with the ribbon, and after a few knots we'll be covering this, and that would secure this piece of ribbon. I hope that makes sense. And now I'll be fast forwarding the wrist. So that's how it's done, and I know it's pretty, and the most important part is it has got a touch of your personality, so you cannot find it on Amazon. Actually, I was going to buy one from Amazon, but then I couldn't because of this lockdown and shit. So I decided I'll just make one. And there we are. It's the most prettiest thing. And that's how it looks. It's just so damn pretty. The best part, is that no one in this entire world will have the same earphones as you. And these would never be tangled. Like, look at that. Like, you just look at that. But why am I even putting them in my ears? Because they're not connected to anything. But even if you do this, like, this is so nice. And you can also color code your right side of the earphone from the left. I've done blue on the right side, so I can easily differentiate that this is the one. Okay. So yes, that's about it. I hope you really liked it. Please stay tuned because we are going to upload a lot more videos, DIYs, tutorials, how-tos, and so many things. I really hope that you liked it and you appreciate my patience and the hard work that I've done. It wasn't done in one day, just so you know. And I really hope that you'd subscribe to my channel and make me popular, and like my videos and share them with your friends, and let me know how you feel about them, the videos, in your comments. Do make them, and please send us pictures of how they look. We would be looking forward to see your version of these beautiful earphones. Bye bye. I am so happy with these. How to make a beard out of a masking tape. How to look gorgeous like me. How to make that. That's exciting. I made that, by the way. And let me know what you want to learn next. Like, what you want to know. What you want to, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you would like us to do for you in terms of art. I think that's about it. This is so pretty. I'm obsessed. Bye. Bye. And you can also wear them as accessories, just like that.